Hello and welcome to the LimoWiz training channel. In this video I will show you how to configure the LimoWiz driver mobile app via the LW control panel at LimoWiz.com. The driver app is available on the App Store and Google Play for smartphones and tablets. To download the app, search for LimoWiz. The app is free to download, but its use requires a monthly subscription, which you may order at LimoWiz.com. First, after you subscribe and register your company and create your company ID, and once your account is activated within a few hours, log into the control panel at limowiz.com/mobile app. So now I will show you what you need to do to configure the app options via the LW control panel. First, click on the company profile menu and make sure your company information is correct. The phone number that you see is required and is needed when the driver wants to call the office. Next, click on the settings. Here you select the options that you want the drivers to see or be able to utilize in the LW app. The API key at the bottom is used by the LimoWiz desktop program to send trips to the mobile app. So you want to make sure that you copy and paste this API key exactly as shown into the LimoWiz settings. Add-ons tab. For security, you may want to update this API key once in a while. You will also need your company ID that you registered with. The Terms tab is used when the customer clicks on the Terms link on the signature page on the app. The Greet tab allows you to upload a logo image which appears on the greeting sign page, which is usually above the passenger's name. Now I will show you how to upload drivers and trip status codes to the LW server from the LimoWiz desktop app. Here we have drivers. So let's assume we want to upload Billy, Jack, and Sam. Hold the control key on the keyboard and with the click of a mouse, click on the other drivers, and then on the bottom right, click on Upload to LWD. LimoWiz will tell you that you selected 3 drivers and ask you to confirm again. Click Yes. The drivers have been uploaded. After uploading the drivers, make sure you create a new password for each driver in the LW control panel. So let's go and switch. Go to driver list, and we see the drivers listed. Click on Edit, click on Update Password, and type in the new password for the driver. Next, I will show you how to add the trip status codes to the website control panel. Go back to LimoWiz, and let's click on the status codes that we want to upload. Hold the control key, click, and then click on Upload to LWD. Process has been completed. Let's go back to the website and refresh the page. We'll see more trip status codes in the list. Any trips have been sent to the drivers will appear in the trip listing. And if we click on trip charges, we see the charges and the customer signature. Now I will show you how to send jobs to the driver. Let's go back to the dispatch window. Tag the trips that we want to send to the driver. And click on the Send Trips to a Mobile Device. Include charges, yes or no. And the trips have been sent. Now we're going to look at the sync utility, which is available under the File menu. If you're on a network, this will be available only on your server. And I'm going to go to the mobile app now and update some of the trips status codes. So the first one in the list, I'm going to change it to completed. And the second one, I'm going to change to picked up. I'm going to change others also. And usually in about 60 seconds, the LimoWiz program will update its status. So let's take a look and see what happens. Now you can see here that the utility will check every 10 seconds. Here we go. The information has been updated automatically. Note, trips that are already settled in LimoWiz will not be updated. So you want to make sure that you haven't updated the trips, settled the jobs. Otherwise, they will not be updated. So that's it. Well, thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Have a good day.